Hello, my name is Aiden Russell.
And my name is Kyle Russell.
And we've just completed the basic electronic course with FIZ Robotics.
We hope to work in the future together in the field of electronics and robotics. Today, we'll be making a project called a light sensor.
We will be showing you 5 of the projects we've learned along the way. First, we have the dark sensor. Here are the components we'll need for this project.
A 100,000 ohm resistor, a PN2222 transistor, a light dependent resistor, a buzzer, some jumper wires, a breadboard, and a 9-volt battery.
So, you connect your buzzer into the breadboard, and then you connect the positive leg of the buzzer into the positive socket of the breadboard. Then you take your transistor and plug it into the breadboard. Then you take a jumper wire, connect collector, and plug it into the negative leg of the buzzer. Then you'll need another jumper wire and connect the emitter to the negative slot in the breadboard. Next, you'll need to connect the jumper wire into the base of the transistor, and then take your photoresistor, then connect the leg into the negative into the breadboard. Then you'll need another jumper wire to connect the other leg of the photoresistor into the negative slot in the breadboard. And then your 1100K resistor, plug it into the one leg of the photoresistor and connect it anywhere in the breadboard. Then connect the jumper wire to that resistor's leg into the positive slot of the breadboard. Then we'll plug in our battery. So when you put your finger over the photoresistor, since it's the dark sensor, if you block all the light going to the photoresistor, then the buzzer goes on.
Innovation pays off.